Hi there, you guys. I'm in a mask because the air quality is absolutely terrible today. I'll show you guys all the smoke, but I'm just gonna do a short video and show you guys the children's garden next door because I had a few comments ask me about the children's garden. So I was gonna show you guys that super fast because I don't think that will take longer than like 5 to 10 minutes. You know what I mean? I was also going to remove some coneflowers today because they have Astor's yellows. Why can't I say it? Astor's yellow disease. And one of my subscribers, AJ's Green Thumb LLC, let me know about that because I had no idea. I just thought that they were deformed. I really didn't know what was going on with them. So thank you so much. I will definitely be removing those coneflowers, but we're not going to do it today because that will just take too long. If you guys can see the smoke, but it is literally everywhere. Maybe if I go and look this way, you guys can really see. You see how foggy it is? That's all smoke. But let's go over here to the children's garden. They actually did a really good job on this year. It changes up every single year. I think it is run by volunteers, so it's normally people in the PTA take turns with this and plant this up and maintain it for the children. The kids come back to school on August 15th, and I am not looking forward to it at all. They have little paw prints on the sidewalk coming up. And then this is the learning garden. I love the little statue. And they have all raised beds and little stones for kids to sit on and benches to interact with all the plants, which I think is really, really cute. These stones are nice. I wish I had some stones like this in my landscape. They've got some beautiful zinnias. That was an amazing choice. Whoever did that. They're looking a little sad in some places. But overall, it looks really, really cute. And if I was a kid, I would definitely get inspired by all the colors. Oh my gosh, look at the bottom of the planters. They have little ladybugs. Oh, and those leaves are made by students. They have little signatures on them. Is that not the cutest little thing? Oh, and look, there's the drip spout for drip irrigation. And they do have drip run inside of there as well. Very nice. That'll make it easy for them to keep it maintained. I don't see anybody come over here and water it. I just see somebody come over once a week and kind of deadhead and plant. I really like the shape of this bed. It's like an S. It goes like this way. And all the way around. But they have some peppers here, which haven't produced any peppers yet. They have squash and a little trellis, which I think is so cute. If I was a kid, I would find this to be absolutely magical. They've got carrots, lots of weeds. Somebody needs to come in and do some weeding for them. I almost wish, I need to contact the school and just see if I can come over and just help maintain this, because I would definitely do it for them. Another squash and another squash or pumpkin. Oh no, this is cucumbers, look. They have little cucumbers too. Theirs look very similar to ours. The First Gardens have worked hard to plant a garden. Please look but don't touch. We appreciate it. I love that. The only thing is they should probably encourage people to weed. Yeah, but the little benches are so cute. The curves are really nice. If I was a kid, I could see going up into these and really interacting. Oh, look. They have little pumpkins. It's pumpkins. Oh, this will be so cute for the kids when they come back to school because these will actually be here. I love it. Hopefully they pick the pumpkins and do things with the pumpkins as well. Oh, look, there's another one and it's a different kind. That is so cute. It literally looks like a fairy tale. Whoever came up with this idea did a really good job. And then we have this bench over here, which is very similar to this one. It's curved as well and has little benches on the side where the kids can kind of sit on it and interact with the plants, or they can stand on it and look over them. But we have lots of green beans. Tons and tons of green beans. They did a very good job on their green beans. They have more green beans than I do. But we planted ours late. We did everything late over there because we added that new in-ground bed. And it took so much of the season that a lot of our stuff is late. Normally we would have had a couple of harvests by now, but everything just got late, particularly any type of veggie production. They've got tomatoes. It looks like they're still working on siding this, and it looks like some of them have fallen off, unfortunately. That's kind of sad because they're so cute, and I wish that they could get the little tiles that all the kids are doing all the way down, because that would just be so cute. But they have their tomatoes. Don't see any tomatoes yet. Like, I don't see a single tomato on those yet. Oh, the watermelon. Oh, look, they have a baby watermelon too. You guys see that? There's one over there too. I love it. And then they have some corn. And that's about it. That's what makes up the children's learning garden, but I think it's super cute, and it's more than a lot of schools have. I'll say this, when I grew up in Mississippi, we had nothing like this. I knew nothing about gardening. I think the only thing I did was in 3rd grade, we grew a watermelon plant, and I was absolutely obsessed with it. And stuff like this literally creates the next gardeners, landscapers, designers of the future. And like, if you don't even know that this is a possibility for you to be able to do, you'll never dream it, because I feel like that's what happened to me. Is I went to law school, so I actually have a law degree, and I kind of went because I felt pressured by my family. Everyone told me I would always be a great lawyer, so I went to law school. But if I just would have been introduced to gardening at a younger age, I think I would have found my passion way earlier on, and I think my career would have went completely differently than it did. So I think it's really important to expose kids to extracurriculars, in particular ones that actually are important to know. I feel like gardening is a skill everyone should know how to do, and it's definitely something they should be teaching in schools. They just have a bunch of trees. It's literally a bunch of trees. In the back there is a raised bed that goes along the whole school, and it is filled with bearded irises, which is really, really pretty. I'll say this, the best thing about living across from the school is the borrowed view of these trees, because they have some magnificent, mature, huge trees that end up being the backdrop to a lot of my content. I feel like because my fence is right there, when you look over that fence, all you see are these beautiful trees. And it almost looks like I'm in like a park or a forest instead of the middle of the city. And I guess I'm gonna show you guys their front landscaping super fast, and then we'll end off this video because, like I said, the air quality is absolutely terrible, and I hope you guys can even hear me. I bet you I sound muffled. It's kind of like a nightmare to have a N95 mask on again. It literally just makes me think of those times. We have lots of road work going on over here. I can't believe the kids come back August 15th. I'm not looking forward to it, to be honest. We have some grasses and a rock, irises, little colorful rocks. That rock is really nice. They've got some hedging, a little bench. It goes over to more rocks, and then there's a little seating zone. Whoa, why do we have like religious books at this school? That is kind of odd. This is not a religious school. This is just a public school. Looks like we have some spent lilies here. And then another grass. They have a couple of hedges over here and benches. More trees. But that's really it, other than the road work over there. I say I love this tree. It lets you walk underneath it on the sidewalk, and I think that anytime you get something like this where there's just like a canopy above you and you get to walk underneath it, it makes for such a neat effect. Anyways, I know this video is going to be short, and I apologize about that. Like I said, I just feel like I can't be outside too long. It wouldn't be good for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Did you have any type of like learning gardens in your school? because I didn't have that and I wish I did. And I'm genuinely curious if like people my age, I'm 34, if any of you guys had that when you were in school, or were you even introduced to gardening in school through your schools? Because I'm genuinely curious. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys around for whatever video I come up with for next time. Bye guys.